Okay, so at last they've changed the design of the old key, and here we have a new Peugeot key. It's got the 3 buttons, as you'd expect. It's got a flip blade, and it seems to be much better than the older key. Okay, so we're going to show you how to change the key battery. It's really quite simple. So this here is the battery cover, and that section's got to come off with the badge on. And you've got a little, you haven't really got a slot there. You can get a screwdriver in there, and the way you do it is really simple. You just rest your screwdriver on here, find the gap, and just really gently, up you go. Oh, and on that occasion, the battery just flew out. They're pretty easy to get out. It's a 2032, like most of them these days. Okay, so if the battery doesn't just jump out at you, basically you want to go to the key end of the case, and then there's pop the screwdriver just down there, and then it will come out nice and easy. And then to put it back in, this part here is quite difficult to see. There's the battery connector in there. So you need to get the battery heading in that way first, and then push it down. Okay, and then the battery sits just under these 2 little prongs there. Okay, and that's that. Okay, so to get the battery cover back on, you've got a couple of prongs there. They go in first at the front. Clip them in place, and then just squeeze the key together. It will click, and there you go. So with the 3-button Peugeot key, you are good to go.